Yes. So formula will be first term square, that is x square, plus, let us see, plus, now in between plus x, plus, so now in between you will add the number plus a plus b, so we write plus a plus b. You will add these two number and then last you will multiply these two number, that is plus a into plus b, plus a into plus b, that's all. Okay, so in this way we remember the formula. Any expression whichever is given, in between you have to add the numbers with their sign, and last you have to multiply the number with their sign. In between you have to add the number with their sign, and last you have to multiply the number with their sign, that's all. So this will become x square plus a plus b into x plus a into plus b will be plus b. So this is the answer, that's all. So I will advise you, do not remember the formula. It just in a second. Let us take x minus a and x plus b. One is negative, other is positive. So can you tell me what that will be? Same thing. That will be x square plus bracket, we write, add this number minus a plus b into x, then last it will be product of these two, that is minus a into b. So this will be x square plus, you can take minus sign outside, then it will be a minus b into x minus ab. This is the answer. So do not remember the formula, you remember the technique. Do not remember the formula, you remember the technique. What is that? In between we add. And last we multiply. In between we add, last we multiply, that's all. Then third it will be x plus a into x minus b. Yes, tell me what that will be. Same thing, x square, then plus, it will be plus a minus b into x, then plus a into minus b, that's all. So in between we add with their usual sign, and last we multiply. In between you add with their usual sign, and last you multiply with their usual sign, that's all, nothing else is there. So this becomes x square. You can take plus a minus b into x minus into plus minus ab, that's all. And fourth is, both are negative, x minus a into x minus b. So again I will tell you, don't remember the formula. So that will be x square plus minus a minus b into x plus sum of these two, and last it will be product of these two, minus a into minus b, that's all. So this you can write x square, that minus a plus b into x, minus sign you can take common, minus into minus plus a, this is the answer. Getting? So do not remember the formula, remember the technique. That will be x square plus, add the two number with their usual sign, and last it will be multiply the number with their usual sign. In between add the number with their usual sign, last will be multiply the number with their usual sign, that's all. Yes. So what is that technique? In between you add the number with their usual sign, and last you multiply the number with their usual sign, that's all. So these are four formulas. Do not remember. Remember the technique. Technique is, in between you add the number with their usual sign, and last you multiply the number with their usual sign. In between you add the number with their usual sign, and last multiply the number with their usual sign, that's all. You have to consider sign also in addition and multiplication. Then now we will see the square of three numbers, a plus b plus c whole square. It is, we have seen square of two number, a plus b whole square. Now we will see how to find a plus b plus c square. Again the technique will be square of each, a square plus b square plus c square. Then plus 2 times you have to multiply the number with their signs. Plus a into b, b into c and c into a. Is it clear? In this way you have to multiply two numbers together. So that will be ab plus bc plus ca. And this is the formula. Okay. So sixth one. Let us take any number. Let us take a minus b plus c whole square. Then again it will be square will be same. A square plus b square plus c square. Okay. Then plus 2 into multiply the number with their usual sign. A into minus b into c and c into a. So what is that? A into minus b will be minus ab. Minus b into c will be minus bc. And c into a will be plus ac. That's all. You have to multiply the number with their usual sign. Got it? So this way you remember, my dear. A square plus b square plus c square. Everywhere it will be plus. Plus 2 times. Then you have to multiply the two numbers with their usual sign. With their usual sign. So there is no need to remember the formula. Then let us solve the problem. Exercise 4C. Things will be clear. Exercise 4C. No need to remember the formula. That's all. 4C, first one, expand. First one is expand. Expand. In that first, x plus 8 into x plus 10. X plus 8 into x plus 10. I have x plus 8 into x plus 10. Yes, x plus 8 into x plus 10. Again I am telling you, that will be x square, x into x, x square. Then in between you add the number. What is that? Plus 8 plus 10. Plus 8 plus 10 into x. Plus last you multiply the number with their usual sign. That is plus 8 into plus 10. That's all. So that is x square plus 10 plus 8, 18x plus 8 into 10, that is 80. This is the answer. So remember the technique, do not remember the formula. In between we add the number with their usual sign and last we multiply the number with their usual sign. So second it is x plus 8 into x minus 10. X plus 8 into x minus 10. Second. X plus 8 into x minus 10. X plus 8 into x minus 10. You can directly write down the answer. That is x into x, x square. Plus 8 minus 10 will be minus 2, minus 2x. Plus 8 into minus 10 will be minus 80. This is the answer. So you directly write down the answer. So in this type of problems, in between, we add the number with their usual sign. And last we multiply the number with their usual sign. That's all. This is the technique. Okay. So there are other problems. X minus 8 into x plus 10. This will be homework. Then x minus 8 into x minus 10. Fourth one. X minus 8 into x minus 10. This will be homework. Okay. You can give the oral answer. You can give the oral answer. X square minus 8 minus 10 will be minus 18x. Minus into minus 10 will be plus 80. So x square minus 18x plus 80. Yes. Then second part, expand. Second one is expand. It is 2x plus 2x minus 1 by x. 2x minus 1 by x into 3x plus 2 by x, 3x plus 2 by x, 3x plus 2 by x. So this is of the type C. In this, all these are different. So you have to open the bracket. You have to consider first term, and this you have to multiply to whole bracket. Then you have to consider second term. You have to multiply this to whole bracket. That's all. So this will be 2x. 2x into 3x plus 2 upon x minus 1 by x into 3x plus 2 by x. We consider first term. Yes, mute the microphone. Multiply to whole bracket. So 3x into 2x will be 6x square plus 2x into 2 by x. X is there cancel, that is 4. Minus 1 by x into 3x. X get cancel, minus 3. X I have cancelled, no, x get cancelled. What is left? 2 into 2, that is 4. In the bracket, no, my dear. Bracket it will not get cancelled because it is plus. Yes. If it is multiplication, then only you can cancel. Okay. So only this we multiply to each term. So x's get cancelled, 3. Then minus into plus, minus 1 by x into 2 by x will be 2 upon x square. No, my dear, first, second it was xx. So I have written this for third and fourth you can write. Third and fourth you can write in that way. In this it was xx, directly answer. So this is 6x square plus 4 minus 3 will be plus 1 minus 2 upon x square. This is the answer. So whenever this x and this x they are same, you can use this formula. But in this it is 2x, it is 3x, so I cannot use this formula. I have to open the bracket. We have to open the brackets. Then 3a plus 2 by b, second one. 3a plus 2 by b, these are simple question. Up to 8th standard you have done all this. Then 3a plus 2 by b, second question. 3a plus 2 by b, 3a plus 2 by b into 2a minus 3 by b. So again you have to open the bracket. This into whole bracket plus 2 by b into whole bracket. So homework. Then third is expand. First, x plus y minus z whole square. X plus y minus z whole square. So use the formula a plus b plus c whole square. That will be a square, x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times multiply y into minus yz minus z into x minus xz. Yes, this is the answer. No need to open the bracket, you can directly write. This is the answer. Okay? This is the answer. A plus b plus c whole square formula, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times. Then you have to multiply two numbers together with their usual sign. Plus x into y plus xy plus y into z minus yz minus z into x minus xz. That is the answer. Okay. So in this type of problems, use the formula a plus b plus c whole square. No need to remember the formula. Remember the technique. Then second, x minus 2y plus z whole square. This will be homework. Same way, square of each, then 2 times, multiply these two, multiply these two, multiply these two. X minus 2y plus 2 whole square. Sorry. X minus 2y plus 2 whole square. Then third, 5a minus 3b plus c whole square. same way. That will be square of each plus 2 times. You want me to solve? Yes. Okay. Fourth one. 5x minus 3y. 5x minus 3y minus 2 whole square. So homework. Then fifth. These are trivial questions. That is why I am giving homework finally. Otherwise, x minus 1 by x plus 5 whole square. Again, this is a plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times multiplication of these two, multiplication of these two, multiplication of these two with their usual sign. Plus, how you can open the bracket? No, do not open the bracket. No. Do not open the bracket. You stop there only. Okay? Because we do not open the bracket, because when you open the bracket, again you will take 2 common. No. For example, if it is given 4x minus 2x, then what we do? We take 2 common. This we write 2x minus 1. No. So when already you have taken common, then there is no need to. Then x will be there. 2x will be common. Yes. It will be 2 minus 1. So that will be 2x. So already I have taken common, correct? So already we have taken common. So again no need to open the bracket. You can stop there. Now fourth onwards are problem which I have to solve. Fourth onwards problem I will solve. That is fourth onwards. Fourth is if a plus b plus c is 12. Fourth one. If a plus b plus c is 12, a plus b plus c is 12, and a square plus b square plus c square is 50, and a square plus b square plus c square is 50. Find the value of ab plus bc. Find the value of ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. Not you, my dear. A plus b plus c. A plus b plus c whole square. Formula we use. That is a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times multiply ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. Correct? Now this value is given. Yes. A plus b plus c is given. That is 12. So you will get 12 square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. This 50. 50 plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. This we have to find. So 12 square is 144. 144 minus 50 is equal to 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. 94 by 2. 12 square is 144. 94 by 2. 94 by 2 is equal. Yes. So this is 94. 94 is equal to 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. ab plus bc plus ca. So ab plus bc plus ca will be 94 by 2. AB plus BC plus CA is 94 by 2, and this is the answer. You have to stop there. Okay? You stop there. That is the answer. That is 94 by 2. Can you cancel? 2 4s are 8. 47. Yes. So AB plus BC plus CA, if it get cancelled, you cancel. That is 47. Yes. Okay. Now fifth question. So in all this type of problem, same thing. If a square plus b square plus c square is 35, a square plus b square plus c square is 35 given, and ab plus bc plus ca is 25, ab plus bc plus ca is 25. Find the value of a plus b plus c. Find the value of, sorry, it is 35, then it is 23, not 25, 23. AB plus BC plus C is 23. Find the value of A plus B plus C. So you will use that formula, that A plus B plus C whole square, yes, is A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus C. Okay. Now let us substitute this value we have to find. So this we keep as it is. This value we keep as it is. Okay. This value we keep as it is. A plus B plus C we have to find. So A plus B plus C we keep as it is. So you will get A plus B plus C whole square. You will get A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C whole square. A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square is 35 plus A plus B plus C is so 2 into 23. Yes, 2 into 23. So A plus B plus C whole square is 35 plus 46. Okay. So A plus B plus C whole square is 81. So taking square root, wrong answer, plus minus 9, because we have seen that taking square root you will get A plus B plus C is square root of 81. So A plus B plus C is plus minus 9, plus minus 9. So whenever you take square root, you check whether, if nothing is given, whether they are positive or, if it is given that they are positive, if it is given that they are positive, then we take positive square root. Okay, but nothing is given, so I will take plus minus 1. Now sixth is if A plus B plus C is P, if A plus B plus C is P, A plus B plus C is P, instead of number you are given the variable P, and AB plus BC, AB plus BC plus CA is given Q, then find A square plus B square plus C square. Find A square plus B square plus C square. Chalo, find out. Find out, and let me change my internet connection. So in 1 minute I am coming. Meanwhile you change it. 1 minute I am coming. One minute. Yes. What is the answer? Yes. 1 minute. What is the answer? P square. Let us see. You are given the value of A plus B plus C. Okay. You are given the value of AB plus BC plus CA. So now we use the formula A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. Okay. So what is A plus B plus C? P. So that will become P square. A square plus B square plus C square, that we have to find. Okay. A square plus B square plus C square, that we have to find. plus 2 times 2q. Now take, so p square minus 2q is equal to a square plus b square plus c square. That is the answer. Okay. So a square plus b square plus c square is p square minus 2q. Okay. So now next, seventh one. If a square plus b square plus c square is 50, a square plus b square plus c square is 50, if a square plus b square plus c square is 50, and ab plus bc plus ca is 47, ab plus bc plus ca is 47, find a plus b plus c. Chalo, find out. Find a plus b plus c. Work out. You solve the problem. Find a plus b plus c. Find a plus b plus c. Find a plus b plus c. So use the formula a plus b plus c whole square. Yes. A plus b plus c whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca. Okay. 12. Okay. Let us see the answer. A plus b plus c whole square. A square plus b square plus c square is 50 plus 2 times ab plus bc plus ca is 47. So a plus b plus c whole square 50 plus this is 94. So a plus b plus c whole square is equal to 144. So taking square root, plus minus 12, yes, taking square root, you will get a plus b plus c is equal to square root of 144. Correct? So a plus b plus c will be plus minus 12. Remember, you have to take both the signs, plus 12 as well as minus 12. You have to take both the signs, plus 12 and minus 12. Then last problem of this 4C, seventh one. Seventh we have done. Now eighth one. If x plus y plus z is 4, x plus y plus z is 4, and x square plus y square plus z square is 30, x square plus y square plus z square is 30, find the value of xy. Find the value of xy. Sorry, in the question it is given x plus y minus z. It is minus z. X plus y minus z is 4. X square plus y square plus z square is 30. Find the value of xy minus yz minus zx or xz. Find this value. So what you will consider? You will consider x plus y minus z whole square. That will be x square plus y square plus z square. This part will remain same. Plus 2 times. Now you have to multiply the number by taking the sign together. X into y, xy. Okay. Then plus y into minus z, minus yz. Then minus z into x, minus xz. Okay. Now substitute the one. X plus y minus z is 4. So 4 square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square is 30. Plus 2 times xy minus yz minus xz. 4 square is 16, 16 minus 30 is equal to 2 times xy minus yz minus xz. Minus 14 divided by 2. Minus 7, yes. Answer is minus 7. So you will get 16 minus 30 is minus 14. So minus 14 is equal to 2 times xy minus yz minus xz. So minus 14 divided by 2 is xy minus yz minus xz. Minus xz, correct? So you will get xy minus yz minus xz is equal to minus 7. Okay. So this complete 4C. Now write on this surprise test. Appear this test. Chalo. 4C is over. Now there is one surprise test which you have to solve. Surprise test. Surprise test. Let me give one problem. Rationalize the denominator of. Okay. Let me give simplify. Instead of rationalizing, let me give simplify. Simplify. If m is okay, if a is 1 upon 3 minus root 8 and b is 1 upon 3 plus root 8. 3 plus 3 plus root 8. Then find a is 1 upon 3 minus root 8, b is 1 upon 3 plus root 8. Find a is 1 upon 3 minus root 8 and b is now you are able to hear. Find first a plus b, second a minus b. All of you are able to hear me? Yes, they all are okay. Okay. Third, find a square plus b square. Then fourth, find a square minus b square. Then fifth, find a cube plus b cube. Then sixth, a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube. Then seventh, a raised to 4 plus 1 upon a raised to 4. So start finding this. A is 1 upon 3 minus root 8, b is 1 upon 3 plus root 8. Find all these. So what will be there? Don't directly substitute the value. You rationalize the denominator of a 3. Then you rationalize the denominator of b. Get simplified form of a and b. First you get simplified form of a and b. Then you substitute this value and find a plus b, a minus b, a square plus b square, a square minus b square, a cube plus b cube, a cube minus b cube, a raised to 4 plus 1 upon a raised to 4. Do all this. You have 5 minutes. You can solve this. And if anybody get all these answers, you tell me. I will consider your active participation, and definitely few marks I will give you in the internal. A is 1 upon 3 minus root 8, b is 1 upon 3 plus root 8. Find the value of a plus b. Tell me the answer a plus b. Jaldi bolo. Yes. Tell me the answer of a plus b. 6. Yes, absolutely correct answer. 6. Tell me the answer of a minus b. A minus b. Jaldi se. First answer a plus b is, a is 3 plus root 8, b is 3 minus root 8, root 8 get cancelled, 3 plus 3 is 6. Similarly, a minus b, a is 3 plus root 8 minus of 3 minus root 8, 3 get cancelled, root 8 plus root 8. What is that? 2 root 8. Are you getting? Root 8 plus root 8 is 2 root 8. Get the answer for a square plus b square. For a square plus b square, first you have to find AB, my dear. First you have to find AB. AB will be 1. Yes or no? AB, A is 3 plus root 8. My dear, do not substitute the value and simplify. If you substitute the value and simplify, calculation will be complicated, my dear. See here, you have to find AB. What is AB? A is 3 plus root 8, B is 3 minus root 8. So A plus B into A minus B. What is that? 9 minus 8. 8 1. AB is 1. Once you get AB as 1, then you can use the formula A square plus B square. No. What is the formula A square plus B square? A square plus B square is A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square minus 2. What is A plus B? 6. That is 6 square minus 2. That is 36 minus 2, 34. Similarly, a square minus b square, you can use, what will be a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square will be a plus b into a minus b. So that will be 12 root 8. No. 12 root 8. Get a cube plus b cube. Use the formula a cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3 into minus 3ab. Minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. A cube plus b cube is a plus b whole cube minus 3ab into bracket a plus b. Substitute. ab is 1. A plus b you know. Substitute the value. A cube minus b cube will be a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into bracket a minus b. ab is 1. That's all. A raised to 4 plus 1 upon a raised to 4 will be in this a raised to 4 plus 1 upon a raised to 4, you have to find 1 upon a. Are you getting? You have to find 1 upon a first. So what will be 1 upon a? Tell me. A is 1. 3 minus root 8. A is 1 up. Yes, 3 minus root 8. So 1 upon a will be 3 plus root 8. And this we have already simplified. That is 3 plus root 8. Okay. So now we stop here. It is 12. It is 131. Now we stop here. Do the remaining part. So next time we will start. Exercise 4D. Yes. So bye everybody. Bye. Bye. Yes.